Yeah. So you go. So you go.
Oh, don't get the camera wet, kids.
Oh, splash, splash, splash. See, we like our pool, Mommy. We like to drink water out of the boats.
Charlotte, what are you doing?
Sure.
Oh, these are good boats, sweet.
Charlotte likes to chew on the orca whale.
Mm-hmm.
Is that Shamu?
Mm-hmm. You talking? Say hi, boat.
Chewing on the boats.
Gracie, you want to splash? Gracie. Hey, Grace.
Gracie, can you splash the water?
Can I splash the water?
Good, Charlotte. Charlotte splashes the water with her hands. Grace, can you splash the water with your hands?
Grace empties the pool and she splashes.
Where are you going, girl? Where are you going?
Exploring?